My name's Andrew Mudge and I'm the head gardener at Cliveden. I've had a long career with the National Trust, and the culmination of my career in horticulture, I guess, is coming to Cliveden, where I've been the head gardener for 11 years. And it was always an ambition of mine to manage a garden such as Cliveden. And I guess the best way to describe it is there's lots of gardens within the garden, so the scope of the job is quite broad. One day it can be working in the formal garden, another day it can be in the 18th century landscape garden. I guess one of the best ways to describe the role is you live and breathe it. You're part of the garden, part of the season, and you're always planning 1 year ahead almost because of the bedding schemes and the areas that are under restoration. The space at Cliveden, when you look at the views out of Cliveden over the wider landscape, the beauties of the not just the garden but the statues and the setting for the house, views down to the river, what's not to like about coming to work at Cliveden?